Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. What is the sound of O?
O.
Yes, very good. What is the sound of I?
E.
Very good. When both letters O and I come together, they give us a sound.
Oi.
Oi, they give us a sound.
Oi.
Very good. Okay. Read the words.
Oi. La. Boy.
Yes.
Oi. La. Oi. Ka. Oi. La. Oi. Ja. Oi. Na. Join.
Very good.
Oi. Na. Coin. Oi. Na. Tha. Point.
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 Very good. Toilet. Oi, l, e, t. Toilet. Oi, l, e, t. Toilet. Toilet. Yes. Yes. G.
Soil.
Very good. Moist. Moist. Very good. Now read the sentences.
I have a small coin. I will boil the corn. The soil is moist.
Very good.
Put oil on the coin.
Okay, very good. Okay, write down some words. Boil. B. Yes. Very good. Boil. Very good. Soil. What is the sound of S? Show me action. S. Oi. L. Very good. Soil. Very good. Yes. Okay. Wine. Yes.
Oil. No. Coin.
Very good. Join. Yes.
Join.
Very good. Moist. Very good.
Moist.
Very good. Excellent.